Here we've got HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, then click on the settings icon, and here you will locate timer. Just click on it and pick preferred options, so you can pick between 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Let me choose 5 seconds at first, and as you can see, if you will click, the picture will be taken with 5 seconds delay. And that's it. Now you can also switch it to 10 seconds if you want to, or 2 seconds, whichever option you would like to apply right now. And now the countdown will be a bit longer as it's set up for 10 seconds, and afterwards the picture will be taken. So you can be on the picture or just have a delay for some other reason. And then you can switch it off the same way smoothly by tapping on timer and tapping on off to turn it off. And as you can see now, the picture is taken right after your click. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily activate camera timer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.